Hello everybody, my name is Tamara. Thank you for joining me on my channel today. I'm going to be making in this video some pulled pork tacos. This recipe is easy and delicious. I'm making this with pork butt or pork shoulder, and I'm going to be placing it in the pressure cooker. You could also use a slow cooker or a regular pot. In a regular pot, you cook it for 3 hours. Oh, kitty, cute. It's a lion. Okay, tablespoon of garlic powder. Tablespoon of chipotle chili. Tablespoon of ground cumin. Tablespoon of salt. And then that's it. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna be rubbing this onto the pork, and whatever remainder seasoning I've left over, I just save on the side into a jar. I put a little bit of cooking oil into the pressure cooker and I put it on sear, and then I'm gonna sear the pieces for a few minutes. So I just rubbed some cooking oil onto the pork. I chopped it up into big chunks, and then I'm gonna rub the seasoning into it. Okay, so the difference between pork shoulder and pork butt. They both come from the shoulder of the pig, but pork butt is higher on the foreleg, and while pork shoulder is further down. They're both tough and fatty cuts, and they both benefit from long, slow cooking methods such as roasting, stewing, and braising. So we're gonna grab the pieces of pork that we just put the seasoning on, and I have a little bit of oil in here, and it's in a pressure cooker, and I put the setting on sear. It's hot, nice and ready, and I'm gonna sear the pieces of meat a little bit until they're brown, and then we're gonna add the rest of the stuff. Okay, come on, show over here what I'm doing. Look how it's sizzling. Can you see it? Okay, so we'll do those with, and then I'll do the rest. Actually, I don't want to overfry it. Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Let me stop.
And then, yeah, we'll be back. So I'm letting the pork sear, and we're about to flip it over. Just browning it on all sides. Oops. I'm just searing it, and then I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker with a can of soda and an orange and a bay leaf, and then pressurize it for 1 hour. Alright, yes, look how perfect it looks. This is what I'm looking for. Alright. take these out. Look at that nice brown color. I'm going to chop up an orange. I'm going to throw it in there. Throw this in there first. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at that perfect sear. Looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. It smells good too. Okay. So it's been searing for about 20 minutes. Another one in there. Alright, put that in there. One bay leaf. And I like to use a whole can of Coke or lemon lime soda. This helps tenderize the meat and gives it a sweet flavor. Don't use cream or fruit soda. Oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect. It smells so good already. And then put the top on. Make sure the pressure is on. I'm gonna stop. Excuse me. I'm gonna stop the sear mode and then put it on number 5 for meat steak. Oops. Stop. Start over. Menu 4, 5. Okay. Time cook. Okay. Let's see. One hour and start. We'll be back. On purpose. Oh, wrong way. Alright, let's release the steaming. This same recipe you can also, instead of making tacos, you can make pork sandwiches with barbecue sauce. And you don't have to change the seasoning or anything at all. You just use the same recipe and put some barbecue sauce on it, put it on a bun, and it's delicious. I've got 1 whole onion diced up, and then I've got 1 bunch of cilantro taken off the stems. I'm going to mix it with 1 lime for the topping on the tacos.
No, Mommy. Put it on the counter. Good girl.
Okay, let's get rid of this.
I need the big.
Whatever, go ahead.
Put the other one in the Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge.
Oh, for the food? I thought you were talking about for chicken.
Lime in the fridge.
Let's see how it falls apart easily. Oh, baby. Can you see that? Can you see that? baby, look at that. So
Oh, baby,
just breaks
baby.
apart when I squeeze it. Look at
Dad?
And it smells delicious. Okay, so we can fry this up or we just eat it like that.
Who are you talking to? The camera, dummy. It's hard to tell when you have the camera recording. Your hair
All
looks
of
like
you
your
guys.
mustache. My hair.
Alright, so
I'll eat that bag.
oh, look at that good water in there.
You'll eat the bag.
Broth.
So tasty, Mom.
Alright, we take this orange out.
Oh, orange. You get some orange?
Mm.
Give me that.
Okay.
Oh, it's roasted hot. It's steaming hot. Mom. So yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was. What? You're not taking my hat. Oh, I did it. I cut through a line. I'm just joking.
Alright.
Down here against the wall. Put a line in there. You just talk to your alignment there. No. Smell some of this smell? Does it smell?
I got tortillas that I'm going to warm up, corn tortillas, and I like to put 2 on top of each other because they steam each other up and makes them soft.
What? I was just counting.
Each taco, I'm using 2 tortillas.
On the ground. Who does? I get first taste. We all get first taste. I get first taste first because I get once. What's got my onion on the floor? You mean
Yeah, okay, now you're just gonna see.
Hi. Turn off the light.
I have my children here that are gonna test these yummy, delicious pork tacos. Go ahead, children. I'm gonna try one too.
What do you want me to do with all the clothes on the bed?
Hold on.
Will we try it now?
We're doing a testing, Steven, on camera. Alright, go ahead, come on. Mm-hmm. Oh, so yummy. What do you guys think?
Yummy.
Alright. Want to try some, Boo Boo? Oh, that's the best taco I've ever had.
The onions have a nice punch to it.
You guys have to try this recipe. It's delicious. It's easy. And please give this a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll have the recipe in the description box. And subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.
Enjoy. Hi. So yummy. We want more.
Sorry, we're back for more. Yeah. We're back again. It's so good, delicious. You have to try this.
We're back. I'm just eating. subscribe and like this video and check out more videos of Tamara's cooking.